If you want the vibe, you need to go and checking out the Rooks. The Rooks. If you want the whole vibe, you need to go and check the Rooks. The Rooks. The kicking it with the Rooks, but I know they are not shook. Not shook. Saying that if you want the vibe, you need to go and check out the Rooks. To check the Rooks. Saying they're kicking it with the Rooks, they're doing their thing, and they're doing their thing so well. They been working out their family things over there, and they saying, do you really want to tell? They up on the cruise and the end doing real, and they doing their thing with some skill. Saying they're kicking it with the Rooks to everybody. Oh yes, they are the real deal. Saying, hey, do you wanna go over and kick it with the Rooks? With the Rooks. Saying to everybody, do you wanna go and kick it with the Rooks? With the Rooks. Saying to kick it with the Rooks because they said that they kick it with the Rooks. With the Rooks. Because they are the whole vibe when you kick it with the Rooks. With the Rooks. I seen them with cousin Johnson doing family thing, and they're doing things that they were funny. And they're doing everything just with the family, and they're saying they're really funny. And they're doing everything so supported the people, and they're doing just what they like to do. Cause they is the whole vibe, that's why I'm doing a song and a song for you. Saying, do you want to buy and you kicking over here with the Rooks, with the Rooks. Everybody's over here having fun. We be kicking with the Rooks, with the Rooks. Saying they're kicking it with the Rooks, and you know they not shook, they not shook. Now we over here just rocking with the vibe with the Rooks, with the Rooks. Saying I seen them over there, they're doing everything, and they're making me to feel so proud. Saying that yes, I'm over here, that yes, it's really with my word, but I'm still saying I'm really proud. Cause they're kicking it with the Rooks, they're doing everything, and they're doing it all in style. And they're keeping it in the family, and everybody saying, oh yes, I'm liking your style. Saying that if you like the whole vibe, you can go and kick it with the Rooks, with the Rooks. Saying if you like the whole vibe, go and checking out the Rooks, to check the Rooks. Saying they're kicking it with the Rooks because you know the Rooks is not shook, they're not shook. Saying that yes, I'm over here doing songs over here for the Rooks, for the Rooks. Saying that if you like the vibe and I like that vibe, and you're vibing over there with the Rooks. Saying that everybody looking up and looking down, some people just looking for the Rooks. When you said kicking it with the Rooks today, everybody said yes, they good cooks. But they over there just rolling on the cruise, having fun, cause they are the Rooks. Saying that if you like the whole vibe, you need to check out the Rooks, check the Rooks. Saying they're kicking it with the Rooks because you know the Rooks is not shook, they're not shook. Saying that I'm over here having fun, sing a song for the Rooks, for the Rooks. Saying that yes, I'm a J, showing love over here to the Rooks, to the Rooks. Talking about that if you like the vibe, if the vibe so high, you need to go over there and tell them hi. They're kicking it with the Rooks, they're doing their thing. People's over there and they say we still over here than when we hella 3D. But still I'm over here and they say you need tea. You need tea over here than in your ear the whole vibe. The vibe over there than when they going to rise. And if you wanna go over there and kick it with the Rooks, with the Rooks. Then if you like the whole vibe, need to go and check out the Rooks, with the Rooks. Then I like the vibe, so I'm over here for the Rooks, for the Rooks. Saying if you like the whole vibe, you could go and check out the Rooks, to check the Rooks. Saying they kicking it with the Rooks, they're doing their thing, and they're doing their thing so well. Saying I guess I'm over here, I guess I'm doing my thing, trying to put it on a story tale. Saying I'm hoping they like it and they vibe it out, cause we kicking it up with the Rooks. Now that everybody know that the Rooks not crook, but they still just a vibing with the Rooks. Saying that if you want to vibe over here, need to check out the Rooks, to check the Rooks. Saying that everybody like the whole vibe over there with the Rooks, with the Rooks. Saying that yes, I'm talking about kicking it with the Rooks, with the Rooks. Saying everybody go show love over there to the Rooks, to the Rooks. Saying if you like the vibe over there, so checking out the Rooks. Oh yes, the Rooks. Saying kicking it with the Rooks, and you know they good cook, good cook. Saying down there we vibing every day, vibing out with the Rooks, with the Rooks. Saying kicking it with the Rooks, oh yeah, we not sure, we not sure. Kicking with the Rooks.